In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively analyze eBay's sold listings to gauge product prices and demand, and you'll have the skills to make more informed shopping or selling decisions. To start, let's navigate to the eBay homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the prominently placed search bar at the top of the page. This is your starting point for finding specific products. Enter the name of the product you're interested in. It could be anything from vintage collectibles to the latest tech gadgets. The key here is to be as specific as possible with your search terms. This will help you find the most accurate listings. For example, if you're looking for a particular model of a laptop, include the model number in your search. Once you've entered your search term, go ahead and press the enter key or click the search icon to proceed. Now you'll find yourself on the results page, filled with a myriad of listings matching your search. While this can look overwhelming, eBay offers various tools to help you refine and narrow down these results. To get to the heart of today's task, we need to access the filter options. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page, where you'll see a column filled with different filtering choices designed to help you pinpoint exactly what you're after. These options range from pricing parameters, shipping preferences, and even item condition. For today's purpose, we want to focus on a specific type of filter, the sold listings. Scroll down until you locate this option. Typically, it's nestled under a section related to show only or something similar. When you find it, go ahead and check the box labeled sold listings. This is where a lot of magic happens. By selecting this filter, eBay will only display items that have been successfully sold in the past. This is invaluable because you're getting a snapshot of the actual market value of items rather than the asking price, which can be inflated or deflated based on various seller strategies or market trends. Once you've applied this filter, take some time to browse through the listings. Each entry provides you with information about the final sale price and often when the sale occurred. Analyzing these completed sales gives you crucial insights into how much buyers are actually willing to pay for the item you're interested in. This data is fantastic for identifying trends and understanding demand. For instance, if you see consistent high prices on sold listings, you might infer that demand is strong for that specific product. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some careful analysis, you now possess a foundational skill for making savvy buying or selling decisions on eBay. Whether you're a buyer looking for bargains or a seller setting the right price, understanding how to navigate sold listings is a vital part of your online strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy eBaying!